Africa Content TV.
Ladies and gentlemen,
all right,
may we take our seats?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So before the vote of thanks, Prissy would like to say a few words to her husband.
Okay. Hello. Hi. Okay, so